Right guys, I went fishing the other day and I found out my rod was damaged. It's been damaged on the flight over to Sumatra where I am now. I can still cast with it, but I've got a hairline crack in the second to end rod tip, so the one below the tip. I'll roll a video of that now so you can see the damage. I know if I hook up, it's definitely just going to explode on me. So I need to try and make it a little bit stronger than it is. So yeah, I'm going to try and put a whip on it. So I've got some 80-pound braid, some epoxy resin, some tape and some earbuds, and hopefully we can make this work. It is a one chance saloon and we'll hopefully try to keep me fishing. Right, let's get stuck into it. Right, step one, I'm going to put the tip onto the rod. That is as far as it goes in, so I don't want to go past this point. So I'm just going to mark him with a pair of scissors because I haven't got a pen. There we are. Right. Happy days. And then I'm going to get my braid. Put him on there like that. And get some tape. Yeah, just gonna tape him to the end. I'm being bit. And I'm also gonna tape past where it's broken again. So I'm gonna wrap him about there. This is just going to be a buffer so I can put the line up to it. Right, so a bit of an angle. Rappy, rappy, rap. There we are. Right, you can change position. Right, I'm just going to slowly start whipping it on now. Make sure it's fairly tight and it's all bunched together. Slow and steady wins this one, so I'll speed it up for you. Right, that is it. Whip complete. Now I just need to prepare the epoxy resin. So as a container, I'm just using a little plastic tub I got from a couple of trebles I bought from the shop. And then these two, we've just got to mix together and sets in 5 minutes. So I've got to be really quick with it, really efficient. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Right, game time, baby. Mix all this up. Cotton bud definitely isn't man enough for it. Oh no, it's on my finger, man. like mixed. Let's chuck you over here. This is how I'm gonna do it. Little roller. And just apply it to the rod. Like so. Troubles in paradise. This is a shambles. Well, that was a shambles. But I don't really care what it looks like as long as it's stronger than what it was. And hopefully that's done the trick. Hopefully that will do. That bit's glossy. But yeah, hopefully that'll do us good. Can't have it all when you're fucking travelling and out in the wild. But check out the view. If that keeps me fishing, I'll be well happy. There's nothing like a bit of battle scars on the rod. Right. Stay tuned for my next video and we'll find out if it works or not. And that'll be very soon. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.